Just like that. Touch. Again. The first one is 172823. Go. Got a sign for it. Don't know what that is. 55 93 10. Number 24. Gasp. Thanks, fellas. Just the one. Oh, you know, I think these are my sunglasses. The same old glass I've always had, but I lost them. Had to buy more. Yeah. Looks to be them. These are not identical. I need to make sure I like them, just in case. Different case, we'll see. Cherry logo. This is my section over here. Oh shit, what did I buy?
Oh,
hi. Go ahead. Come on in.
Hi.
How are you?
What are you doing a video for?
We just video my weird life.
Oh wow.
You're in it now, you're a star.
Hey guys.
There you
Wow.
are. Now we're finding our stuff. What's your name? I can help you find your stuff.
Jenna Mazar, but I don't even know if it's here because I got
There I
it.
am, right on the top.
The thing that it got delivered, but then I don't see a code for me.
See, I buy so much shit, I don't even know what it is half the time. Well, good luck.
Well, yeah, good luck with your documentary on your life over
Thank
here.
you. It's a short life. I plan on ending it soon. I'm kidding.
Have a
I'm
good one,
kidding.
guys.
See you later. Oh, it's my thing. This is for my wine. La-da. This makes my wine last forever. Please that one today. Fierce. Not bad. So I got this because, oops, make sure I got my keys. You did have packages, see?
I did, I got it.
Oh. You put it in the top of the wine bottle. It drives through the cork. Then you pour it through this device. When you're done, you hit it. One wine bottle can last up to 6 months. Now, it's not gonna last up to 6 months for me, you're gonna drink it. But I only drink maybe one a day. I find the wine loses its flavor after 2 days. Which means if I have one a day, there's 4 glasses in a bottle. I drink 2 of the 4, I throw the bottle away. This is a money saver. Problem is, these are like $400. I'm cheap. But Black Friday, it's only $200. Bargain. I'll take it. Well, let's see. Judgment time. You see, here's the problem, ladies and gentlemen. I have a giant nose. It's very fat, right? It's not long. It's fat. So, glasses are tricky. Well, I can't see because they're so fucking dark. So now I still don't know if they look any good. It's really touch and go. I'm looking in the mirror. Wait, this mirror has a light. It's not bright enough light. There's fucking lights everywhere. And I still don't. Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I definitely look like a Vato gangster. That's friendly, I guess. Okay, one sec. We'll do a selfie. Turn it. Oh, hey, look, that's bright. Yep, I have a huge nose. It's true. But I think it's going to work. How the girls do it? Yes. I'll take a photo. Turn. Beard. We have a flash. These will work. They're super dark, so I'm gonna have to order the other ones again also. I figure out which ones they were, but these were only like $2.20, so it seems silly to send them back. Bargain. When you get deals, you get deals. Malee's on Main Street is where we're going. This is my Thai restaurant. I've literally been going here for 26 years. And I love this street. During the day, you can see all my palm trees. A lot of people stop putting too many Christmas lights on palm trees. It looks like a penis having an orgasm. Fun fact. All the galleries are down here. Oh, they don't have my window open. I guess we're going inside. They're gonna be mad at me. I don't have a mask on. They really like masks here. Hello. How are you?
You know, not too shabby for Sunday.
There you go.
Everything going good with you all?
Yeah, just doing my work stuff. So we're filming, and I had to take them to the greatest Thai restaurant in the world.
Yes.
Right here.
That's what we like to see. All right.
For you.
So, and I just have that. What?
Whoa,
Sorry,
I got excited.
Sorry, I did too.
Look at
Okay,
us
there
go.
you go.
Oh, and I ordered.
Utensils, chopsticks.
No, thank you.
All right, you got the two-tone cook, guys, and the broccoli.
Thank you so much.
All
See
right,
you next
y'all.
time.
You got it. Take care.
So this is heaven on earth right here. You come out, walk the galleries, do your thing, a little bit of everything. 15 minutes from us, so not too bad. This food, when you walk in, they know you by name. It tells you how much you're coming here. There's certain places that you, like if you got restaurants, you don't take. Like say you've got a restaurant and it's your restaurant for you and your girlfriend, and then she dumps you or whatever. I always say they dump us just to make it sound better. Then you can't take the next one to it because it's your guys' place. Malee's is my fucking place. I grace everyone with it. It's an emotional thing. One of my best friends already knew of this place, so our connection is soup and boobs. Soup and boobs. You know who you are. Soup and boobs. So yeah, that was our big hit off. Shouldn't sleep, I don't sleep. We started talking about soup. Next thing you know, there were boobs involved. Not because they were for me, it's because she bought them. And that was our common ground. And there we go. So, yep. Soup and boobs, Malee's on Main, let's go eat some soup. Alright. Commonly asked question. Cheat meals in the off season for someone like me. Now clients, you get these when you're given them. Now, I eat a shit ton of food. I have a crazy metabolism. I have probably one a day. But I don't eat shit typically. Pizza, things like that, you're gonna see. So, here's what we're going with tonight. This is Tom Kha Ga, which is a Thai soup loaded with chicken. Okay? Amazing. Amazing from my favorite place, Malee's on Main Street. Then, garlic broccoli beef. This is 2 stars, which is a temperature rating they hit them with. Over rice. Now, don't get too concerned with my distribution because I'm gonna eat all this shit. But we don't throw it all on at once. We just blast it over the top. This is not your fucking local Chinese broccoli beef, so sorry, not the same. But what I want you to pay attention to, all kidding aside, is protein, basic rice. I throw the rest of the rice between here and finishing that. And then my one guilty pleasure, red wine. I probably have 4 glasses of red wine a week, but I'm cheap, so I buy stuff like this. Today we're going Pinot. Usually I'm a cab guy. Todd and I tried this. Amazing. And for those of you that are watching, don't compete or in the off season and enjoy stuff like this. When I first got into bodybuilding, I was like the fucking measure everything. Oh, we don't want too much salt. We don't. Here's the thing. Number one, I'm a better bodybuilder now than I was then. You have to live a little bit, but that doesn't become an excuse for bullshit. So all the water came in, all my meals are coming in. I'm gonna get plenty of protein. If there wasn't enough protein here, I would drink 8 ounces of egg whites with it. I would make sure to get that in. Now you got good quality. I don't drink a bottle of wine, I drink a glass of wine. That's it. Finish the rest with water. Amazing, awesome meal, live a life, don't fuck up training, you're gonna be fine. If you look at the best athletes, you're gonna find, oh wait, they do live a little. It's just in limitations, whether they go off the charts a few times a year, which I don't, or like me, dabble here and there. But that's how I do it, that's how it works. And hell, I don't sleep well. Tonight I will. Between that, my sleep aid, a few other tricks I can't tell you about, try it all. Yorkies, hey, off. They got a little pissed that I said try it because I wasn't supposed to. They were like, don't tell them about the drugs. Anyways, this is a life-changing meal. I'm gonna go eat now. If you're ever in Arizona, Scottsdale, South Scottsdale, Malee's on Main Street. Trust me, tell them Dusty sent you. I've only been going there for 26 years. Most of you guys watching this are 26 years old. Think about that. I'm gonna go eat now.